Hello my friends and welcome in the new video in which I will be talking about intelligent heating. Keep warm. I received heating gloves from the company which is making the heated apparel. They are called saviorheat and they are a Chinese company, and it doesn't mean anything bad because actually they are targeting the premium market. And I received the heated gloves from them and I will be testing them. So, I will let you know if they are any good or not. First of all, I received a package which looks like that. See? So, it's well packed, and I will open that for you. So, it looks like that, okay? Let's not do stupid unboxing thing, but there's plenty of things inside. And, okay, so that's the box, which is magnetic. Really nice. Good box, solid one. Then we've got a bag for the gloves. Yeah, well, nice to have one. User guide, useless. Battery charger. Motorcycle harness, that's pretty useful. Extension lead with transform cable, whatever that means. And yeah, another one. So it looks like actually two harnesses with fuse. Yeah, one, second one, see? And extension lead, so you can basically connect your gloves to that. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Now we've got gloves. And I can straight away tell you that the gloves are a mixture of some sort of cordura material, I don't know what exactly now, and leather. And look at that. They look kind of good. Material is really nice and pleasant. And what do we have here inside? The most important thing, sometimes Chinese companies are forgetting about that. That's got CE actually norm, yeah, with numbers and everything. And it says outer shell polyester and 30% leather, and inner shell is 45% cotton, 55% polyester. First I will show you that. See, I hope you can see that. There is another camera, and I hope you can see that. There is a CE norm. Now, the glove, how it looks like. Yeah, it's pretty cool. What do we have here? Looks really good. So, you can tighten it up, so basically rain won't come inside. And look at the quality of the glove. Is it good? It looks good. It's even got the screen cleaner. They call it screen cleaner, but it's basically a wiper. Also, they've got, look at that, on the finger. Can you see that? I hope you can. Is it? Yeah, it's working. It's touch sensitive with that, so that's really good. Yeah, it is working. However, yeah, anyway, with big glove, massive gloves like that, it's not, you know, it's not easy to operate your phone anyway. Yeah, so as I said, you can operate your phone. Yeah, if you can say operating your phone in such a massive big glove, it's always complicated. However, yeah, it's working. It's touch sensitive, that finger, whatever it's called. Touch sensitive thing. It's here. Yeah, so that's really good. Yeah, on the other side, if you are left-handed, yeah, see, same as well. The protection is here from every side. It should also be waterproof, so we will see that. They are really warm. Anyway, no matter what, even without turning the heat on. And there is a packet inside. I'll show you that here. So what's here? Yeah, there should be battery, and it is here. So let me open that. Okay. And the battery looks like that. So Li polymer battery, and it's got also all the CE norms, so that's really important. So that is really important because you know Li polymer batteries are not quite safe, especially from China sometimes. So it's really good they are tested, and there is some quality control there. I'll tell you what, I won't lie with that. The quality of those gloves is quite impressive. It's got protection everywhere you need it, here and there. It's well stitched, no problems with stitching whatsoever. And yeah, let's put the battery, but let's connect it. Connector, which can be connected directly to the bike, obviously, but let's connect it to the battery, and let's put it back into that pocket. Okay, so depends how many times you press it. It's white, blue or red. And this one, the left one, both left and right, has got a wiper for your helmet. So that's a good thing. Yeah, well, it's starting to be toasty inside. Okay, let's check the other one, if that works as well. Long press, yeah, it does. Now let's check how easy it is to turn it off. Or just turn it white and then that one into blue. See, I set it differently. I think it's about time, because I don't know what does it mean, so I will check the user manual. That might help. However, I think that the red one was the warmest, I would assume. Low level is blue, as I said, and red is obviously the warmest. Red is the highest heating, white is the medium, and blue is lowest. So that's it. Nothing more here. Simple as that. And long press, it's again turning it off. But anyway, I will charge the batteries first before using it properly, and then tomorrow we will do the motorcycle riding test. I think it will be good, because the initial impression is really good. Those are seriously well-made gloves. It's also important the charger can charge 2 batteries at the same time. That's pretty cool. Same applies to obviously the motorcycle wire. They look definitely better made than my cheap Oxford gloves. So, yeah, let's ride it tomorrow and let's test it out properly. The forecast for tomorrow is saying no rain but really cold, so I cannot test it for waterproofness. So, when you are riding a bike, usually the rain is coming through those stitches here. So far, so good. I can easily say that that was worse than torrential rain. Yeah, I don't think you can ever get this amount of rain. So, 5-minute rain, no problem whatsoever. Yeah? Bone dry inside. They are completely wet from the outside, but inside, bone dry. So, yeah, very, very good. On a bike, and let's test it. First I have to say, they are really, really comfortable. And I like how they look like. Just a black simple gloves with not many colorful nonsense on it. I don't know though why my lovely friends are laughing at. Anyway, time for a test ride. Temperature this day was between 8 degrees and plus 13-14 degrees at the best moment, but usually around 10. Rather cold and miserable. In total we did around 60 miles, and For most of the time we were doing like 50, 60, up to 70 miles an hour. And I can tell you one thing. Even with my underlayer and warm jacket, I could feel that cold. But not in my hands. My whole hands stayed warm, however I wouldn't say that it was toasty warm. With those temperature and even settings to the max, you could just feel it's okay, it's warm, but not toasty. But when I turned on my BMW heated grips, it started to be toasty. One difference though, if I wouldn't use heated gloves, just heated grips, my fingertips would be really cold. I felt that many times with heated grips. Yeah, basically your whole hand is warm, but not your fingertips. But with those heated gloves, my whole hand was nice and warm. Even without heated grips, it stays warm and pleasant. One thing you could expect though, if the temperatures would be sub-zero, probably you need those heated gloves plus your heated grips. I mean to stay warm and cozy, because just to avoid being cold, yeah, the gloves alone would be enough. Look guys, the gloves, they work like a treat. And look where I am right now. Look at that.
Get out.
Oh, who just sat there?
What will be driving? I'm not on calls for it, so. It's really good. Okay, so my test today was successful, and that's about it. One thing which I want to tell you about those gloves. They are really warm and nice and pleasant. The gloves itself, they are really warm and nice. However, they are not boiling hot. They will never be. Even on the red, they are just keeping you really nice and cozy inside. So if you are looking for something which will boil your hands, then wrong address. But if you look something which will keep you warm, brilliant. I'm really enjoying it, and definitely that's a keepers. I will keep those gloves for sure for myself. So, that's it. And you know what? On the way back in the evening cold, I was still warm and cozy. But look, my DJI Action 2 cam was too cold to work properly. I kid you not. First it turned off the screen and it says it's too cold, and then it recorded like that. So guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, give me thumbs up and whatnot. Cheers!